Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this flame red Renault Kadjar. Now of course you get full LED headlights and daytime running lights coming around. You also get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one of these 19-inch alloys so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Around to the rear now, you've also got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which is just under there. Then into the tailgate, we have plenty of room, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which will fold flat with the boot floor. You can of course use these levers on either side, which will then enable you to fold the seats down without having to walk around to and from the car. Coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car, we've got full black leather interior with Isofix mounting point at the bottom. You've got electric windows all round, keyless entry and start, electric driver's seat. You've then also got this 6-speed manual gearbox. Air conditioning controls are in the middle, as you can see. You do have dual climate control just in here. You've then got your touchscreen infotainment display as well, which comes with satellite navigation. You've got your various media sources as well, of which when you go in here you'll see you get Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB. You also get Bluetooth hands-free as well. Then over to the steering wheel, you've got your onboard computer controls. Over to the left, they will operate the cruise, which you can determine just down here if you want the speed limiter or cruise control. Over to the right, you've got your onboard computer controls, so you can cycle through your options at the top. Media controls are just below the windscreen wiper, which of course are fully automatic, and of course same for the headlights. As you can see, this Renault has done 32,664 miles. But coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Renault Kadjar, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon in Blackpool Automart.